everybody, we're making a custom barn door here, Chevron pattern. Anyways, we're going to be throwing this on here. We took an interior door that we got, a solid door. You want to get a solid door, and then we just cut a 45. And this is some interior tongue and groove. You can see the groove. That's the female side, and that's the male side. Tongue and groove, and then basically we cut a 45, and we met our tips right there on our 45. And that line is not center of the door, but it's center of where I want to have it because of my nailing. I want to have proper nailing on my main 45 detail going all the way that way. Then it comes back, and then you'll see it'll 45 at your door. You can run it wild, and then you can run a track saw afterwards and cut everything nice and square, square, and make the line real clean. Then after we get this detail done on the inside, then we're just going to run our tongue and groove detail all the way out until it ends. And we're going to run glue in between. So right now we've set our two first pieces, and then we scribed them with the pencil line. See that? Now we're going to take some glue. We're going to put some glue in there, in between those lines. And then we're going to go ahead and lock in our first two pieces. And then we're going to just start running with the rest of our pieces, our inside and then our outside of the detail. Hey, what's up everybody? Just want to show you real quick this barn door that we designed and then we built it ourselves. We took an interior solid 6-panel door and then we added that 1/4 inch by 4 inch tongue and groove knotty cedar to the exterior of one side. Then we left the 6-panel exposed on the other side. And the reason why we did that is, one, it matches the interior doors of that unit, and as well, it's too thick when you add the 1/4 inch on both sides for the hardware that comes with the standard barn door track system. So just be aware of that. So what we did is we built this door and we built this system to be private, because that is an ADU on the other side, Airbnb, whatever it is going to be. This is going to be, you know, needs to be locked and sealed from the other side. So what we did to make it private is we put a piece of wood on the interior of the opening right there, and then we threw this piece of wood as a stop. So when that goes there, it blocks that gap there, so no one can see through that gap. As well as we installed this cane bolt latch, you know, lock in, so that way we can't open it from here or the other side, and then it's locked in. And as well as we built this jamb to receive it, and it comes out about 1/4 inch to hide the lip, so there's no opening, so no one can stand there and look through. So that makes it a lot more private. Now this will all be painted white, but you can stain this. I mean, you can do a bunch of different things with this. You know, the options are endless basically, but this is a cool system right here. A lot of people ask me, how can we take a pocket, you know, barn door and make it so it locks? And this is how we did it. You can see this jamb right here. Of course, the existing structure was not level, so this will all get filled in, but we have to keep this all straight and level with our door. You see how the jamb comes through, and then it has this lip to receive, so you can't see through. That keeps it secure and private. You as well can put a pocket door hardware on here that has a little latch and locks into there. It's almost the same design as a pocket door. You can do that, but this system is a lot nicer. It's a lot cleaner look, and then it locks a lot better this way. But you can see here is the panel on the inside. It does have an arch, but a lot of people also ask me, how do you build a pocket, you know, a barn door or a pocket door, or how do you seal off an archway? Typically, I would say if it's the only arch in the house, let's rip it out and let's reframe it in and just do it square. But in this house, in this situation, you see how there's this skylight, the framing is all crazy right here. So the owner didn't want to do that, and they asked for another option. And this was a different option, but allows it to give them what they want, but also is still really nice as far as design wise. All right, everybody, if you like this content, check out our channel. We got a bunch more content. Remember to subscribe and like. Co-know-pro out.